Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on algebraic fractions. On the next two slides, I provide the lyrics of a rap song about algebraic fractions. Enjoy. And here are the next three verses. Now let's look at the brief lesson on the next slide. So simplify each of the following algebraic fractions. So we start off with 4x plus 8 over 8. Now if we take the numerator, the highest common factor here is 4, because 4 divides into 4 and 4 divides into 8. So we factorise the numerator, which gives us 4 outside of x plus 2. Now we cancel down using the 4 and the 8, so we have the 4 and the 8. 4 into 4 goes once, 4 into 8 goes twice. So we end up with x plus 2 over 2. And you can see how this algebraic fraction has been simplified to this one. It looks different, but it has exactly the same value. Example 2, x squared minus 25 over x minus 5. Now x squared minus 25 is the difference of two squares. Okay, so this is really, so the actual top line, if you look carefully, is actually x squared minus 5 squared. Okay, and we saw in an earlier video the way to factorise x squared minus 5 squared is x plus 5x minus 5. We have an x minus 5 in the denominator, so we cancel those out and we're left with x plus 5 as the answer. So you can see this was our original algebraic fraction, and we've ended up with this one, which is so much simpler and it has the same value. Example 3, we've got m squared plus 5m plus 6. We saw in an earlier video how to factorise a trinomial like this. And the factorisation of that trinomial will be m plus 3, m plus 2. If you multiply those out, you will end up with that answer there. So we have m plus 2 here, we have m plus 2 there, we cancel those out and we're left with m plus 3. So we've seen three examples which shows us how we can simplify algebraic fractions purely by factorising. So Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by introducing the rap song about algebraic fractions.